going on, everybody? This is Alex with Traders Retreat. I want to talk about a Tesla play that I took today, right? So I actually swung calls from yesterday, and I got faked out this morning. I missed the fact that this came down, tested, and then held on the hourly, this hourly support here. This is the small demand zone, okay? The demand would be on the top of the candle, right? That's the opening part of the candle, the body of the candle. The reason this is demand, it's the lowest bearish close, okay, in this group. We have to come down here to get the lowest bearish close out of this area of liquidity. So in this general area, right, this is going to be your lowest bullish close or bearish close. And when you're looking on, on the hourly chart, obviously you can do this on any time frame. So miss this, tagged out, right? When did I get bullish? Well, I got bullish after we closed this candle back up inside of the legacy zone, okay? Couple things that I was seeing, right? I noticed this after the fact. This was a clear signal. Obviously this could have continued down further. You zoom in on smaller time frames to really get a better picture, but just playing the hourly, okay? We reclaimed the legacy zone here, 216.18 to 217 spot 41. And what did it do, right? What also, I want to point out the key thing here is that if you go on the daily, and I apologize for the Traders Retreat symbol there. It's moving all over the place. But look what happened. This is supply, all right? This is your daily supply. Why is it supply? You look where it wicks up to. It doesn't interfere. It doesn't interact with the body of the next bullish candle, okay? And that's going to be this one. This is the next supply. It's not marked out here, but this is where we're headed. We're headed to the top of this green zone. That's the other thing. We've been inside of this weekly zone ever since we reclaimed it here on Thursday, okay? The fact that we keep climbing up, very key. So what did we do with this daily supply here? Well, Friday we closed up inside of it. All right. That's it's not a bullish signal, but it's decent. And then we had yesterday, and yesterday we didn't get the bullish close above until today. But look at what yesterday's candle did on the daily. It's an indecisive doji. It represents, a battle going back and forth. And not only did it close after retesting this daily supply zone, now acting as support. Okay. It closed above and it closed right above the legacy zone. So good signal overall for that. So definitely today should have been aware of that 213.55. Instead, totally fine with this. I took and played, this move. And this, obviously, it's continued up higher. We're going to get out of the replay here in a second. But this played out great. I took off risk already towards the end of the day. And this is what happened, right? This is what it looks like. So very simple, guys. You don't need to make it harder than it is. This would have been the best entry once we saw this hold, although it's a little bit more risky. Once you got this next hourly close back up inside the legacy zone, this is a pretty good indication. You look on the smaller time frames, we got the pullback, right? It tested what exactly perfectly the bottom of the legacy zone in white here. Okay, legacy zones are white. If you're new around here, that's fine. And then, and proceeded to take off, right? We pushed up, we got the pullback again. That was actually another opportunity for entry and just continued to slide up. So I was able to take off risk on that initial push, took off some more before the end of the day. And now I'm just swinging runners. And this thing, I expect 228, probably 230, and we'll go from there. All right, going into the end of the week. So hopefully this helps. It's short, quick, trying to keep these short and sweet. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post in the comments. And also I'll be posting this on Twitter. Thank you again and peace.